Hello, welcome to a new reading class with Mrs. Erika Acosta from Escuela Bilingüe Honduras. Today we continue with our story, Happy Birthday, Mr. Ken. Today we are going to learn the new vocabulary words and we are going to work in some pages. Here we go. Repeat bows, bows, chilly, foolish, foreign, narrow, purchase, recipe. As we continue with our story or the vocabulary, please, we are going to work in the new topic that we are learning. I already uploaded a video where I explain the cause and effect. An effect, remember, is something that happens, and a cause tells why that thing happens. An effect may have more than one cause. Directions, read the following passage. Okay, let's read the paragraphs. No matter where you live, English sparrows probably live nearby. Like most of us, the ancestors of today's English sparrows were immigrants. The first family members came from England. They were set free in New York in the 1800s. Over the years, sparrows have moved to all parts of our country. Americans have a love-hate relationship with sparrows. Some people dislike them because they say the sparrows push aside native birds and because they are messy. Many people enjoy sparrows. They like them because they think they are cute and because sparrows eat harmful worms and insects. Okay, do you see? Some people dislike and some people like. It's the same. It is like that. Some people like the school. Some people doesn't like to go to school, okay? Some people like to swim. Some people don't like to swim. So, in this case, the effect is that some people dislike English sparrows. Do you know English sparrows? Gorrioncitos. Gorriones are little birds and they like to sing, like birds. But they are not native birds, okay? They are from England, okay? And some people like, other people don't like. So, the cause why people dislike. Okay, let's see. The sparrows push aside native birds. For that reason, some people don't like, and they are messy. Okay, I underline this part as you see, so you can write down the number 1 and the number 2. Cause number 1, because they pushed aside native birds. And the cause number 2, because they are messy. Okay? Effect. Other people. What do other people think about sparrows? Okay? They think about sparrows that they like. Why? I circle around. They enjoy sparrows. Okay? Some dislike, but some enjoy. Why? Let's read. They like them because they think they are cute. And because sparrows eat harmful worms and insects. They are cute and they eat harmful worms and insects. Okay? That is a cause. And what is the effect? A cause. Because they push aside native birds, people dislike. Because they are messy, people dislike. That is the effect. Okay. Other people, why they enjoy English sparrows? Because they think they are cute. And some people, they like because they eat harmful worms and insects. Okay? Thanks for your attention, and we continue to page 399. Mr. Can. Vocabulary. Okay? I am gonna put this closer so you can read. Okay. Okay. Vocabulary. Directions. Match each word with its meaning. Draw a line to connect them. We have all the vocabulary that we just practiced. Narrow, purchase, recipe, foreign, foolish, bows, and chili. What is foolish? Okay, do you remember the picture? Foolish is... What is foolish? Okay, let's put the page like this. Foolish is... Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's see. I have a little problem. Okay. Silly. Number 2, recipe. What is recipe? Remember, cool, from a different country. Directions for cooking food, or skinny. Yes, directions for cooking food. Narrow. What is narrow? Narrow is skinny. Chilly. Do you remember the lady that has like not a sweater, but she was covering from cold? So that is chilly is to be cool. Foreign is from a different country. Okay? Directions. Write the word from the box that best completes each sentence below. Watch the red bird as it on the branch. Remember, when the bird was sitting, that word is purchase. After he sings, he to the audience. He bows. Yes. Number 8. The gap was too for me to squeeze through. Narrow. Angosto. He moved here from a foreign country called Sudan. My stepmother wrote recipe for beef stew. Very good. Okay, excellent job, my kids. Thank you for your attention. And once you learn to read, you will be forever free. Thank you. Practice your reading. I send you hugs and kisses. Love you. Bye-bye.